Whether it be the dashboard, whether it be looking at incidents, whether it be looking at how long and what is remaining open and the timeliness behind that, there's a multitude of things that I use it for on a daily basis. It enables me to go, what's the real health of our business at this point in time? What can I see, what can I do, what positive change can I affect on those around me as well?
Procore is utilised right from who's tendering the job, what they're coming in with, any correspondence back and forth is done through there. Having everything in one place where you can access it, refer to it, making sure everyone's got all the latest information at a glance on your mobile phone is amazing.
Our site safety walk, it was a 20-page procedure checklist. You'd get all the site foremen to walk with you. It was really hard to action what we needed to have done. Procore now, you take photos, emails go out, and they have closure dates that they need to action that by, and they get notifications. So our job is done right there and there.
It's such an easy and intuitive system to use. It's having that ability not just to have one system that does everything and some bits badly, it's to have the best of breed systems that actually all talk to each other. And that's a massive advantage in the industry.
It just makes our life so much easier. It makes coming to work just that little bit easier. So yeah, it's good.